Compare content of two pandas data frames even if the rows are differently ordered. I have two pandas data frames, which rows are in different orders but contain the same columns. My goal is to easily compare the two data frames and confirm that they both contain the same rows. I have tried the equals function, but there seems to be something I am missing, because the results are not as expected. I would expect that the outcome returns true, because both data frames contain the same rows, just in a different order, but it returns false.
You can specify columns for sorting in dataframe.sort_values, in my solution sorting by all columns and dataframe.reset_index with drop equals true for default indices in both data frames.
Try sorting and resetting index.
Here is the solution for the situation if both columns and rows of two similar data frames are differently ordered. Order the columns. Choose the column to sort the rows WRT. Order the rows.
If you want to framework, reset and cybersubscribing.